iPhone SE 2020. Itong phone na ito released last April 2020. And it's almost 2.5 years na rin since its first release. And ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong sa akin na kung itong phone na ito, okay pa ba siya for this year, 2022 na? And well, it's almost kulang-kulang 3 years na rin down the road kung okay pa rin ba siya bilhin for this year. At yan ang tatalakayin natin here on this video after this quick intro. Hi guys! Ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. This is the iPhone SE 2020. So, kita natin, this is the box. Tinatago-tago ko pa siya, no? And it still looks good naman. Ganito maging itsura niya. And pag unbox natin, there's a sleeve na sasalubong sa atin, designed by Apple in California. There are some manuals, some stickers, and SIM ejector pin inside. And of course, yung phone mismo bubungad sa atin. There are other stuff na, well, hindi ko na mahanap kung saan ko nilagay. No? Basically, there's a charger, there's a earphones, and of course, there's a charging cable inside. So quickly, sundutin lang natin no? Itong kanyang SIM tray sa side. Kita natin, there's one SIM na kaya na i-support, a 4G SIM. So basically, today, i-revisit natin si iPhone SE. And kita natin ang kanyang design is very simple. We only have one camera module sa likod, which is a 12MP. There's a LED flash over here. The Apple logo is there in the center. Underneath, kita natin there's the loudspeaker, the microphone in, and of course, yung lightning port. On the other side, kita natin yung kanyang SIM tray and of course, ang kanyang power button. On top, it's a curved design, which is pretty clean. Bilang side, there's your ringer toggle and of course, your volume rocker. Sa harap nandiyan ang kanyang 7MP na aperture 2.2 na front-facing camera. And kita natin ang home button is still here and of course, it's also serving as the fingerprint scanner. Kita natin ang kanyang bezel sa ibabaw at sa ilalim, medyo makapal. Well, just like the iPhone before. Now, it's easy to access yung kanyang light mode and dark mode in just a single click. So, pag ginawa mong dark mode, no, hindi mo na masyado mapapansin ang kanyang bezel. Nung nagsimula itong phone na ito, it came with the iOS 13. And today, it's up to date. Kahit pa namang update up to iOS 16.1.1. And right now, it's running 16.1, the latest one from iOS. So, try lang natin mag-run ng speed test dito sa phone na ito. So, pumapalo naman siya ng up to the speed na subscription natin, no? So, dito sa area ko, nakasubscribe ako sa 300 Mbps na Globe Fiber. So, this is the download speed na nakuha natin and the upload speed doesn't really look that nice. Though, well, sometimes talaga nagtotopak lang talaga ang Globe dito sa area namin. So, yeah, basically this is what I get. So, itong phone na ito, you can pair to your latest na iWatch. So, yeah. So, itong phone na ito, you can pair to your latest na iWatch. So, definitely, it can help you keep track of your health. And if you're having your AirPods Pro na second gen, well, good news, pwede mo i-connect dito sa iPhone SE 2020. Napag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang screen. This one has a Retina IPS LCD na 4.7 inch. Though medyo maliit siya for me, but for everyday use, okay naman siya. Sometimes, it's nice to have a very light na phone inside your pocket, like the iPhone SE, and ang kanyang maximum brightness is up to 625 nits. And itong phone na ito is having a glass front, a glass back, as well as a aluminum frame dito sa gilid. One good thing na gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is that it weigh in less than 150 grams. This one, ang eksaktong weight niya is 148 grams lang. Sobrang gaan and sobrang light lang sa aking kamay. So, try lang natin mag-add ng fingerprint. Tignan natin kung gaano siya ka-responsive dito. No? So, try natin. So, in-expand niya ang kanyang coverage. So, para mas wide lang ang kanyang coverage, no? So, well, enter passcode. So, try lang natin mag-unlock nitong phone na ito. So, ang bilis niya pala mag-unlock, no? Kahit year 2022 na. And itong phone na ito came out in year 2020. So, yeah, it's still fast. Now, one thing that I like about the iOS 16.1 is andito lahat ng mga widget niya, no? So, you have yung weather, yung yung photos, feature nandito sa labas. Everything is very, very much accessible. Lalo na itong mga widgets na to, it looks really nice. Well, it's just like having a latest na iPhone. Dahil iOS 16.1 din ang kanyang gamit. So, try lang natin mag-open ng mga apps dito. So, buksan natin si App Store. Kung mabilis siya mag-load, well, it's fast naman. So, here naman sa App Store, you can download everything that you need. Lahat ng mga apps na kailangan mo. Pati pati mga games ng pangbata. Meron din dito. Try lang natin mag-search. Let's say, sa airport, na NAIA Terminal 3. Well, mabilis din niya ma-load. Pagdating naman sa kanyang camera app, you can have the time-lapse, si slow-mo, si video, si photo, si portrait, and pano. Basically, I can say na everything a normal iPhone can do, kayang-kaya din ni iPhone SE. Well, tinry ko naman manood ng video dito sa YouTube, dito sa phone na ito. And well, I can say na the screen is a little bit small dahil 4.7 inch lang siya. Don't expect anything big dito sa phone na ito, but it can get you through watching your favorite shows dito sa YouTube dahil the display is definitely nice. And well, the viewing experience is just okay. Nothing really special about it kasi malaki ang kanyang bezel. And what's nice about dito is kanyang stereo sound is, well, pretty good. Hindi siya mahina. At pag sinagad mo, hindi naman siya tunog lata. Well, probably the only thing na hindi ko masyado gusto dito sa phone na ito is maliit ang kanyang battery. 1,821 mAh ang kanyang battery. It support up to 18 watts of fast charge. And well, it can also support wireless charging on this phone. And charging this phone is quite fast dahil in just lagpas ng isang oras lang, full charge na siya kasi maliit lang kanyang battery capacity. Now, itong phone na ito, nung bago pa lang to, kaya naman na magtagal ng one whole day. I don't think there's any problem dahil very battery efficient naman itong phone na ito. But of course, almost 3 years down the road dito sa akin, well, the battery life is a little bit more short dahil, well, gamit na gamit naman siya. And what I can say is that it can barely last me through the day. Maybe 3 in the afternoon or 2 in the afternoon, napapa-charge na ako dito sa phone na ito. Ito phone na ito can run some games like Call of Duty Mobile. Well, it can get me through gaming dito sa phone na ito, but of course, don't expect anything that nice dito dahil sobrang liit na ng screen. But it can surely game, but definitely, it's not that enjoyable dahil sa size niya. Now, taking some shots using its rear camera na 12MP, I can see na some of these shots are pretty nice and pretty decent, of course. And you can see na, well, some of these are even detailed pa kahit papaano. And one good thing naman itong phone na ito is that it can get head-to-head with some of the better mid-ranger ng Android dito sa 2022. And some of these low-light shots, I can say it's equally nice. And using its front-facing camera, I can say na ang kanyang 7MP camera is not that bad. After all, it's just a 7MP, so don't expect too much. But knowing the iPhone, I'm sure na they'll do better than any mid-range na smartphone ng Android. Now, using the front camera for vlogging, this is how it looks like. So guys, this is the resolution that you'll be getting if you're using the iPhone SE for vlogging this 2022. And I can say it's still good for vlogging, for using for Zoom meeting, and probably just some quick chat over video from Viber and Messenger. This is what you get. And of course, the audio is recorded using the default microphone. So what can you say? iPhone SE 2022? Well, pretty not bad still. Now, using its rear camera to take some video, I can say na pretty good itong kanyang camera. It can still perform and it can even compete toe-to-toe with some of the best mid-ranger sa Androids. So guys, itong iPhone SE this year, it's being priced at $27,490 for the 64 gigs of storage and $31,990 for the 120 gigs of storage. Now, you can purchase this one from Beyond the Box and I'll be posting the link on the description below. Now guys, if you ask me kung okay pa rin tong phone na ito for 2022, definitely say yes. It can go toe-to-toe with some of the best mid-rangers sa Android for 2022. Now, the picture is nice. It can run all of the apps na kailangan natin. The battery is just a little bit so-so for me dahil maliit lang ka na battery. But definitely, the form factor is quite okay. Now guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?